Once upon a time, there was a beautiful fruit garden where fruits chatted with each other. One day, a group of children visited the garden. As they entered, they heard the fruits joyfully talking. "Welcome, children."
I'm an apple, and not only am I delicious, but I also help keep your heart healthy. Eating me means you won't need to visit the doctor.
The kids clapped with joy. Then a round, bright orange chimed in.
Hello, I'm an orange packed with vitamin C. I help fight colds and keep your skin beautiful.
A soft voice came from a banana.
Don't forget me. I'm a banana, and I'm packed with potassium, which gives you energy and supports your muscles. Eating me before playing is great.
The children nodded happily. Then a juicy strawberry said,
I'm a strawberry, and I'm not just tasty, I'm full of antioxidants. I help keep your heart healthy and your skin glowing.
Just then, a big, cheerful watermelon stepped forward.
Hello, I'm a watermelon, and I help keep you hydrated. Eating me on hot days refreshes you and is great for your eyes.
Then a bunch of beautiful grapes spoke up.
We're grapes. We help keep your blood healthy and are perfect for snacking. We can also be turned into juice or raisins.
The children were enjoying this when a lovely pear said,
I'm a pear and I'm rich in fiber. I help with digestion and keep you feeling happy and satisfied.
A small blueberry piped up.
I may be small, but I'm mighty. I help with your memory and taste delicious in sweet pies and smoothies.
The children laughed as a clever pineapple appeared.
And I'm a pineapple. I help with digestion and are great for your health.
At that moment, a wise tree rustled its leaves.
Remember, children, eating a variety of fruits keeps you healthy and strong. Each fruit has its own special power.
The children thanked the fruits and picked their favorites, promising to eat them and share what they learned with others. As they left the magical fruit garden, they continued to chat about their new friends and the benefits of fruits. They knew that eating fruits would make them strong, just like the colorful trees they had seen. From that day on, they filled their bowls with vibrant fruits, keeping the garden's magical memories alive in their hearts.